Everyone, I am the Squatch, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm at my house, as you can see, my dirt bike and another dirt bike. We just fixed this, so there's a chain I had to put back on, and I had to use that. I did it by myself. It's Clayton.
What's up?
All right, so he wants me to crank this thing, and this thing's been sitting in the building for about 1.5 years. So, you think it's actually this, guys? I'm scared. I'm looking off to the distance. Here's my dirt bike helmet. It broke. It's a freak. It's a bum. I tried to fix it, but you know, who cares? But today I'm going to start it and ride just over here. I'm not going all the way down there and back up, but you know, yeah, I'm about to do this. Are you ready, guys? I'm gonna skip right to the case. Woo! Hold on, guys. All right, guys, here we go. This thing on. Hope this goes well.
He run out of gas.
Okay.
Don't say that it popped off again.
No. Alright. I must take this back up. Oh god. The fumes smell like crap.
They ain't been ran in a while, that's why.
God, man. Okay, guys. That was that was cool, but it freaking ran out of gas. Oh man, and then it started smelling like crap. Look, the exhaust is way back in there. Whoa. Bro, that smells. Bro, don't use it on that.
Why?
Cause mine.
Ride with me.
No, you're not.
Why?
Because you just saw it just stalled. Put it down.
I bail off.
Okay, so guys, that was pretty intense, but I don't know. What else would we do? Sorry, guys, we're thinking of something else to do for this video. View my dirt bikes for a minute while we're thinking. Back tire.
Does it even have battery?
Front tire. But guys, the story on this bike is that my stepdad bought it at a yard sale. And then he bought the back tire, the spring and all that, the struts, and that engine. He had all this ordered except the frame and the front tire and the handlebars. So I don't know if he assembled it wrong, but the chain's loose as crap. I've had it popped. We just got done fixing it, and it's crazy, bro. We took off the muffler. So yeah. And here's the dirt bike I ride now. That's my helmet. Or smooth this out the way. Come around. Yeah. And there's just Clayton again. Alright, so I guess we're gonna be heading out. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.